Hi, this is Billy Robinson, and I'll be covering light tutorial in 3ds Max.
So in this tutorial, we're going to look at lighting. So first of all, let's just make a backdrop. So we can create a plane. Once we've done that, we can also just create a box on the back. And actually, let's make that higher. And maybe we'll just put another box on the other side. Just like that. So we might just, for an example, to cut. So for an object to be in this area to cast a shadow as well, we might just use, let's just use the teapot for now. And we might rotate it like that. And we'll try to move it over a bit. So once we've done this, we can go to our light command and we want it to be on Arnold and select Arnold Light. From here, we can position the light that we want. So we could do maybe a front view and cast it down. Once you've done this, we can move it a little bit up maybe, and then we want to go into our modifiers tab. And from here, we can look at type. So it gives you different spotlights, discs, or cylinders. So it gives you a lot of options for the type of lighting that you want. For this, we just want quad. And next, we would like to, you can change the color of the light as well down here, and the intensity as well. So we'll go back to perspective view. So just remember hotkey P. And so now this is coming up with the light. And now you can move and toggle the light depending on where you want to cast the shadow. And another way just to demonstrate the changing of color. So we just want to click on the white tab here. And from here, you can play around to what color that you want.